They might seem rare, but when a balcony collapses at a party in California, the consequences can be devastating. Balconies are only designed to hold a certain weight, and overcrowding, jumping, or climbing on railings can exceed those limits. Combine that with poor maintenance, wood rot, rusted supports, or outdated construction, and you have a recipe for injury. California's Premises Liability Law says that homeowners are responsible for providing a reasonably safe space for guests. When their negligence leads to a balcony collapse and you become injured as a result, they can be held liable for your medical expenses, pain and suffering, and other damages. And when your wounds are serious, a personal injury attorney can help make sure you receive fair compensation. At Maison Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. That starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So, if you or someone you love has been injured by a balcony collapse at a party in California, contact Maison Law right away.